Hi dear friends, today I'm so happy because I received this gift from Bob Models from Dental Online and from my friend Fernando. Look, this is very ergonomic because you can use them to retract the cheek in a square way, so it's very easy, convenient, and you can also use this to retract the lips, both upper and lower, and you can also use this to take the side. So it's very good, very easy to handle. There is also the half, as you can see, and half. So you can then use like the black shade, and with this thing that can really engage in the back. So it's very helpful. This is for the incisors, you see, and this is for the lateral sides and the mirrors.